fans, this time we have for you from the Disney Planes 2 movie, Windlifter. This toy is a deluxe model. Windlifter is a very cool looking toy. This amazing model comes with working features. You can also fold down the propeller blades. You can remove the middle part of Windlifter. So you can play with it without or with the centre part in place. Windlifter comes with moving wheels.
Oh my gosh!
Well, thanks from me, Windlifter, and our friend SpongeBob for joining us, and we hope to see you here next time on Toy Review TV.